Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to edit the header in WordPress using the Divi theme. If you are building a website and want to customize the top section of your pages, also called the header, this tutorial will walk you through each step slowly and clearly. You do not need to have any coding experience. Just follow along and you will be able to change the look and content of your header using Divi. If you want to try Divi for a great price, check out the link in the description first. Log into your WordPress dashboard. You do this by going to your website's URL and adding /wp-admin at the end. Enter your username and password to log in. Once you are inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and find the option called Divi. Click on Divi to open the Divi theme options. Now we want to use the Theme Builder, which is part of the Divi Builder tools. In the Divi menu, click on Theme Builder. This is where you can create custom headers and assign them to different parts of your website. Once the Theme Builder opens, you will see a box that says Default Website Template. If you want to change the header for your entire website, this is the place to do it. Click on the Add Custom Header area inside the default template. Then choose Build Custom Header. Divi will now load the visual builder for the header section. This is where you can design your new header layout. When the builder opens, it will ask if you want to start from scratch or use a pre-made layout. Choose Build from Scratch if you want full control. Now you will be asked to choose a row structure. For most headers, the most common choice is a single row with 2 or 3 columns. Select the layout that fits your design idea. After that, you can begin adding modules. In Divi, everything you add to your layout is called a module. For the header, you might want to add a logo, a menu, and maybe some social icons or a phone number. Click the plus sign in a column to add a module. Choose the Menu module to display your website's main menu. You can select which menu you want to use from the drop-down list. To add your logo, use the Image module or upload your logo inside the Menu module settings. You can also adjust spacing, font size, and colors to match your brand. Use the Design tab to fine-tune the look. If you want your header to be fixed at the top when people scroll down the page, you can enable Sticky Position in the Advanced settings. Once you are happy with how your header looks, click the green Save button at the bottom right. Then, exit the builder by clicking the X in the top right corner. Don't forget to click Save Changes in the Theme Builder screen. This will apply your new custom header to your website. To see your changes live, open your website in a new tab and refresh the page. You should now see your new custom header at the top. If you want to make more changes, just go back into the Theme Builder and click the pencil icon on the header section. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit the header in WordPress using the Divi Theme Builder. It's all about choosing the right modules, placing them where you want, and customizing the design to fit your needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description to try Divi from Elegant Themes at a great price.